Oh, and back on that pheasant hunt. How old is this dog? 6 months. 6-month-old pointing lab. We'll see how this goes. Cute little thing, I'll tell you what. Good boy, good boy. He's not gun shy at all, is he? Nope. Okay. Just checking. Nope, not at all. Before I go pulling that trigger. That'll make him more excited. I like the way he's working. Yeah. Hunt him up, hunt him up. It's kind of nice not having a dog of my own to worry about. He's working wind. Back this way, back this way. Back this way, back this way. Sniffing hard. Got that little nose just a hoovering right now. Oh! Was it? Oh, behind you. There. There go 2 more. These are the smart ones. They're the only ones that are left.
Did that hen go back down in this field or keep going?
Might have landed at the edge of this field. There's more out here. Yep. Did you? Oh yeah?
Goes right over it.
Oh. Dead rooster?
Good boy. All right. Let's go. Out. Let's go. Look this little point, and then we'll head off into that.
Hunt him up, Shadow. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Where's that bird? Where's that bird? I peppered this tree on opening day. Yeah.
There's a hole there.
You hear that one?
See one?
You hear it? It's out that way.
Just go out to a point here.
Kind of L's.
So just kind of follow follow it around.
Yeah.
Now he's actually hunting.
Yeah. Hen. 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 Hen.
Good boy.
He was on that.
Shadow. Good boy. Good boy, Shadow. Here. Oh, okay, so I just hear the thing.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, he's working on that one.
Yeah.
So we swing it around and we're gonna keep following this around and down.
What you got, pup? What you got? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Where's that bird? Where's that bird? Yeah, that's where it went, huh? Good little dog. Tail's going for something right now. What you got? What you got? What do you got? What do you got? Hunt it up. Hunt it up. Sorry, did I distract you? I'd work all the way up to that corner. These aren't the best sunning conditions today. You got a little bit of rain.
Yeah.
Hey, Fees. Okay. Alright. What you got? What you got?
But he's been by a couple things of water he never drank it.
Yeah, I mean, his tongue isn't dragging or anything. Oh, yeah, a little drainage ditch. Hunt him up, hunt him up. Good boy. What are you hoovering?
Boy, get it up. It's bird.
Use that little sniffer.
Ready. Still working harder.
Mm-hmm. Hunt it up, hunt it up. Where is it? Yeah, you're on something, aren't you? Yeah, gets thick down here in the middle. Here's the little nose working. Golly, deer like this spot for bedding. Jeez Louise. Alright. Changing of the dogs. Ease off that way still a little bit. Keep walking in with him. These birds like running.
Looking right at you. Keep walking. Get in there. Get in there.
There's a wind blowing here. This way, this way. Get out there, get out there. Oh, you're so wet. Oh, Bob. I've never been up that ridge. I'm gonna walk at least that far. I just want to see what it looks like. What's over there? What's over there? What's over there? What's over there? We got. You hit something, didn't you? Yeah, he's working something. Oh gosh.
I'm up behind him.
Yep. We got Gus. Where's that bird? Huh.
Man, he sure did stop on it, like 90-degree angle there.
Yeah. Where's that bird, bud? Say. Out there, out there.
That far? Does he fluff a lot of birds too far?
Not too many. He just kind of, every once in a while he will, but like if he pins them down and goes on point, they don't go anywhere for the most part. Yeah. But these wild ones run. That's a big problem I've been having, is he'll sit there and wait for me to get up there.
They've already gone.
Yeah, they've moved on. Appreciate y'all watching this season. Didn't turn out how we were hoping for. That really does. And that might be it for the season. There's like 2 more days left. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out. And boy, the weather has been crappy. But old Gus here, he's soaked. Aren't you, Gus? He's just dripping wet. He's just dripping wet. That's gonna be it for us, I think. Might be the 2023 bird hunting season in Michigan come to an end. But I thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And hey, y'all are going out for the last couple of days. Good luck to you. Hope you do great. I don't know. Keep an eye on, or all those things, you know. You tired, boy? You tired, boss? Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for us. Thank you all for watching again. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.